much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you. I'll try making this really, really quick. This is a very, very special film for not just me, I'm sure for every single person who's been a part of this film. So I will begin with the producer of the film, Mr. Dinesh Vijan, for empowering all of us to go out there and make this film. It was a very difficult film to conceptualize, to even make. And thank you for being the wind beneath our wings to go out there and tell the story the way we wanted it to. The director, a very dear friend of mine, Aditya Nimbarkar. I know him like for many, many years. There he is. Thank you so much for giving me the chance to be a part of your first film. Every single person who's been a part of this very special film. Saurabh Goswami, my wonderful co-actor Deepak Dobria, and and the audiences for watching this film, for recommending this film. And lastly, जिन्होंने ये फिल्म नहीं देखी है और जिन्होंने देखी है, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि this film actually wanted to talk about the unfortunate socio-economic disparity that we unfortunately still see day in, day out. I would want to share this with them. And I hope I continue to be your voice. Most of you, जितने भी वहाँ पे जो मेरी तरह कहीं से नहीं आते हैं, आज इस मंच पे खड़े हैं, जो कुछ करना चाहते हैं, जो बहुत कुछ कहना चाहते हैं तब कह नहीं पाते. So, yeah, maybe you don't know me. I'm sure a lot of you don't know me, but you're no strangers to me. I will continue to be your voice through this wonderful medium of storytelling, of cinema. And and thank you, Filmfare. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is really a dream come true. And to all the critics who actually thought me or consider me worthy of this recognition. Thank you.